Hello there guys, and today we are going to be showing you how to change the motor for a pneumatic hoover. First, you've got to remove the screws, which are located there, there, there and there. So you're just going to do this now. And after you've done that, just lift the top off and you'll be able to see this. This is the old motor, which is bust. So then you just disconnect the two wires. You go break it some more. They can be a little bit stiff, so don't worry. And now you've got rid of the old motor. So now you grab your new one, take all the packaging off, and you just put it back in where the old one was. Then you just attach the little plastic thing, and that will just slide onto the bit at the bottom. Make sure you have it round the right way. Then it just goes back in. Now you should see where the two wires go back together. You've got to make sure that the right ones go in. Oh wait, no, actually it turns out then it doesn't matter which cables go in where. Feed that through, and it just clips in there. Then you flip it back over, and you should remove some more screws. That one's just being a little bugger. It looks to me, hang on, you can't really see that very well. It looks to me like it's rusted a bit. Oh dear. We'll be right back when we have the right thing to get this out. Right, and now we're back. We have the correct screwdriver to be able to get this out. Can never be a good old normal screwdriver compared to the cordless. Then you just take the handle off, put that somewhere safe. Make sure you know where the two screws are for that. and then just lift it off. You just push the plastic thing over the wires in case that's come down a little bit. Then you just connect it back on, because this is for the power switch. Oops, sorry. What are you doing now? Just removing that old wire, because we don't need that anymore. Once you've done that, it just goes back on. As long as all the wires are out of the way. And each clips on it should be pretty flush. And you go put the handle back on. Put the 2 screws back in where they were. Turn cordless on. And then they just go straight back in. Going in. There you go. You just come round. Make a nice amount of noise there. And you just flip it straight back over. Just took all the wires underneath, make sure nothing's hanging out. And just remember to put on this rubber seal, otherwise you will have no suction and it will just blow out air. Now you just put all the screws back in. Right, we'll be back once we've got all these back in. So now we've got all the screws back in. Make sure everything's together. And you just take it and put it back on the main body. Smash them together, black things. Turn it on. Now we're just going to show how that it's now going to work. Plugged in at wall. Oh, sorry there. And it is now working. This has been Dan and Lad signing out. See ya.